गाडयेची फाट धरून ती कार आडावन कारीचे लुकसाण करून एका अल्पवयीन भुरग्याक मारबडय केल्ल्या प्रकरणांत फातोर्डा पुलिसांनी 4 तरणाटे आड गुन्यांव नोंद केला. ह्या घडणुकेत भुरग्याक किरकोळ दुखापत जाल्या मात भारतीय न्याय संहिता आनी गोवा चिल्ड्रन्स एक्टा अंतर्गत कारवाय जाल्या. पुलीस आता फुडलो तपास करतात. RTX स्क्वा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Yesterday we received one call that one accident took place, so our team went there and conducted preliminary inquiry, wherein it was revealed that it was a case of road rage, wherein one minor boy was driving a car. This you can see this car GA08 V6601, which was a rent-a-car. We had gone to get some food packets. We were chased and stopped by two-wheelers where riders were Mayuraj Mamal from Serauli, Joyriel Luis from Kurtorim, Neslino Da Silva from Kurtorim, Malriz Rodriguez from Kurtorim. What they did is they wrongfully restrained their car, then damaged their side glass of that car, and then they pulled out the minor victim from the car and they assaulted him. So we have registered a case. All 4 accused persons were nabbed after forming a team within quick span of time. Within 1 hour we have nabbed them, and after that we have registered a case under section 115 subsection 2, 126 subsection 2, 324 subsection 4, 351 subsection 2, read with 3 subsection 5 of BNS, and section 8 is of Goa Children's Act is added.
मायनर चलयतालो पळय तेचेकडे लायसन बी कितें आशिल्लें?
ना, मायनर लायसन नासलें. So we'll take a relevant action against him. So under provisions of MVA.
His parents taken to the custody.
We are conducting the further inquiry in that man.